Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisyaezetty binti Rozaimi and my metric number is 2024218782. Today, my team partner and I are excited to present our group project for the subject IMS560. For our group project, we've decided to create a meeting room booking system. Our project website features a well-designed database system with 3 tables, each containing 12 to 14 attributes. Now, let's take you through the login and registration process and show you how the system works. When you click on the website link, you'll be directed to our index.php page. Here, you have the option to either register for a new account or log in if you already have an account. If you are a new user, you start by clicking register to create your account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your student ID and password. So let's start by registering a new account. To register, start by entering your student ID and full name. Then, fill in your email address, phone number and create a secure password. Next, select your current semester and enter your program of study. Once completed, click the register button at the bottom. Now that you have successfully registered, let's move on to the login process. On the login page, simply enter your student ID and password that you have just created during registration. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can manage your bookings. Now that we have successful login, I will hand it to Aina to take you through the dashboard and show you how to book a meeting room, manage your bookings, and access other features of the system.
Hi, my name is Afrina binti Mazhar and my student ID is 2024280416. And thank you to Aisha for that insightful introduction. And now let's move on to my section. So first, after logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is this one. From here, you can book a room, view your bookings, and toggle between booking details, which is this one. So now let's click on the book room. And after you click here, now let's book a room. Start by selecting the room you want to use. And then choose your booking date and time. And next, fill in your start and end dates followed by start and end times. Okay, and now you can scroll slowly to the next part of the form. And here we go. Continue by specifying the purpose of your booking. For example, study. And number of participants, you can choose here. I chose 10. And then next is required equipment. You can enter the required equipment here. For example, you want a whiteboard. And then next is if you have any additional notes, you can type them here. And then you can book a room. Okay, next. Once you have booked a room, your booking details will appear here. You can view the room, booking date and time, and also your status. This one. And this one. And then next, you can click on back to dashboard button and you will see a simplified list of your bookings. And in this table, You can also edit or delete your bookings. Click the blue edit button to make changes, or red button to delete and cancel your booking. And now moving on to the next part, and you can also click on the logout button after you finish off everything, and you can click on the login button if you have saved your details. And I think that is all, and that's how you use the meeting room booking system, also known as Mrbs. And thank you for watching, and happy booking.